Yeah, folks, this is Silas TV coming again. I'm going out to the waterfall, and you know, say when you're at the waterfall, you know, you can have a spiritual encounter with, you know, I got a calmness in the soul. So I'm going out to the waterfall here with my brother Nick.
Hey, what's up?
And with my friend at the back here.
Oh, hi.
Yeah. So we're gonna discuss a little bit about spiritualists, you know. Tell you, these are people who are into it, man. So come with me on the journey. Let's go. Yeah. Heading to the fall, and it's so beautiful here in this forest here. It's such a beautiful, look at it, so beautiful. Huh? Wow. I'm here walking with my brother here, the spiritualist here. And the goddess behind there. The goddess of spiritualism is behind there. So we're just taking the journey here, man. Look at this rock formation. Dragon step. Yeah. It's dragon step. These rocks. Look at the formation of them. It's like if someone put them on each other. It's so beautiful. I told you, folks, here in Kunel, it's a lot of things to see up in the city here. A lot of places. So now we are just going to the waterfall, and these are on the outskirts of Kunel, so beyond Causley. And this is what it looks like. Woo! Look at it. Look at the beauty. Look at the trees. This is what you call what? Mother Nature. Oopsie. So beautiful. Yes. I'm on the way to the waterfall. I gotta take my shirt off, yeah? Because it's kind of warm here. Yeah.
I love how you chaga right on the collar.
Whoa. So let's see. There is a tree here, and the lady is speaking to her. Maybe something out there, I don't know what she's speaking to. But we going to the fall. Yes, so come with me on the journey. Okay, I'm gonna pause my video for now till we continue on this journey. Okay, let's go. And if you notice here, you see they have some tags, so you know that's where the road is. That's where the tags are to tell you this is the trail. So you follow those tags and you never get lost in the woods, because that's what their tags are there for, to guide you to get to your destination. So they give you the tags there. See all these tags here is where they put there for show you that you won't get lost on the trail. Right, Nick? Yeah. Yeah. So we're heading out there now to the beautiful waterfall. So how far did you guys get when you came?
We just went to the steps and we chilled for like an hour.
Oh.
We didn't feel like walking, I guess, or I know I didn't.
Okay, so you guys just turned back there. Yeah. All right. Okay.
Waterfall though, we gotta climb over a fence to get to it. It's kind of hard to get to the actual waterfall.
What?
It's worth it. You can do it for sure.
Yeah. All right. Let's pause this video for now till we get to the waterfall. Then we can continue our conversation Yeah, we just want to get to there.
It's nice to smell the earth, eh?
Hey, hi guys. I'm here with my brother Nick. You know, he's a spiritualist, yeah?
I'm the Shaka dude.
Man, the Shaka dude. What's your channel name again?
What's what?
Your
whose?
channel, your channel.
YouTube, Thoth's Wisdom. That is my YouTube.
Yeah. So he's the man.
Appreciate it.
He
Subscribe,
thought
like.
with, yeah.
Do you think?
He's the wisdom kid. That's the man. Check you out.
What do I do? What do I do? I'm so sorry.
She's going back again. Oh, she's doing a ritual out there, man. She's talking to the trees.
Yeah.
Yeah. She's talking to she's talking to the land here. But she says she's what? Blessing the land? So that's his friend there. Out there, so she says she's talking to the tree, she's blessing the trees, she's blessing the birds, she's blessing the animals and things like that. You know, man, I tell you, you be the judge. I'm not saying a thing. All I'm saying is a beautiful, beautiful feeling walking in the woods. See it? Look at it. It's so beautiful. Look, friend, look, folks, I'll show you again. Look at the beauty. You see the beauty? You see it? You see the beauty? That's the beauty. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Yes. So we're just going along here on this trail here. And that's how we're just going along on the trail, heading to the waterfall. And while we head into the waterfall, my friend's behind there is guiding the spirits, she says, ahead of us. The spirit of the land, you know. And she's seeing the spirits in everybody's dream. Things like that.
Great job.
Wow.
For you, 100%.
So she's up here. She says that there is a dragon that destroying people's spirit. So she's here to fight against that dragon. She says, man, tell her this thing is deep. This is deep, brother. I'm going to the waterfall. The deep stuff. Woohoo! I tell you, man. You be the judge. We'll discuss. Heart is full of spirit right now.
Something like that. Well, I don't know. She's
So-
doing something with
Different
different.
vibes,
I don't
different.
know how to explain it yet. That's the thing, man. But it's cool as fuck.
It's cool.
It is. Like I'm starting to get it. I just don't get it completely enough to explain it yet.
Oh, okay.
If that makes sense. She's doing something important. I can tell. She's like people like that, man. She's following God, man. That's what I feel. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, in a way, she's just like following her inner voice. Nobody else telling her to do that. It's cool as fuck.
Okay.
So I think that's cool as fuck. Nobody else is telling her to do that. She's fucking doing it.
So she's following her inner voice at
Yeah.
this time.
100%.
Oh, okay. So inner voice tell her that we're not gonna reach our destination. Let me ask her if we're gonna reach our destination.
You're getting pretty close, man. No, we're like
Because-
10 minutes away.
Yeah, last time the lady tell us 10 minutes away down there. Now you're telling me 10 minutes away here again. What? Oh, go on. Okay. Let me ask her. So, how far will we make it?
Yes.
Is this the way clear for us now?
Yes, bless you. Thanks for asking.
Okay.
We had so far
Mm-hmm.
3 setups
Uh-huh.
between the trees
Okay.
to jinx us as we walk through to fall off the waterfall sides
Okay.
to hurt ourselves. Okay. So there was a reason we come today.
Mm-hmm.
The traps were set 2 days ago.
Okay.
Hardly anyone came yesterday, but today.
Mm-hmm.
So far, though, the hex has not hurt anyone. They didn't want to. They were bad, really, trolls.
Oh.
But they were slaves to a dragon
Mm-hmm.
who we already killed. Now we're releasing the trolls from their curses.
Okay.
The trolls are a power animal to a dragon. But
Oh.
we killed the dragon 2 days ago.
Mm-hmm.
He's the last big dragon that been hurting us since the birth, before Jesus even.
Woo.
Okay. Or Jesus would not have been born in a stable, but a court or
So-
a hospital. Okay.
So you guys killed it before Jesus was born? The dragon?
No, we killed it 2 days ago.
2 days ago. Oh, so it was here before Jesus born.
The dragons,
Mm.
there have been in total 400,000 nations who have been attacking this planet since well before Jesus was born.
Okay.
Since the Palladians.
Oh.
Those dragons were into slavery and the slave trade. Okay.
Right.
So really what we're dealing with right now goes back thousands of years to bad spirits trying to dominate this planet
Okay.
through possessing the holy people. Okay, that's why it's always very scary around death and ravens and vultures and things like that. Because in the past, big spirits used death to attack humans.
Oh.
Try to
Okay.
steal their soul, that kind of thing. Well, we'd be cleaning up.
So, question.
Yeah, sorry. go
So
on.
when the dragons are these demons
Yes.
steal their soul, what do they do with their soul? Do you know?
What do they do with human or animal souls? Yes,
Yeah.
I know. They usually eat them and burst them.
Okay.
Okay, and then
So that soul won't live again anymore.
that soul sometimes can get a magic put on it. It can be remade or copied, and that's a big problem right now, because many power animals to the dragons have got wands, magical wands that they should never have got from the elves thousands of years ago. So these wands are what make our soul. These wands, though, been abused. Okay, normally a soul never die, ever.
Okay.
But the dragons got a wand that helps the souls be remade. So they don't care if they burst the soul, they just remake it and pretend it never was hurt.
Oh, okay.
But so far, it's the worst tool against the holy people on the planet. They've been having their souls burst.
Okay.
Night and day for the last 3 years to block them from getting the love shields back on the planet. Now we have almost finished returning the love shields to the planet the last 6 weeks through
Okay.
the buffalo, the Lakota buffalo.
Oh.
We got the original shields back on. They were cut 12 years ago. No one knew it. Replaced by a bad Lakota buffalo shield that is really a bad mushroom. Give everyone bad trips when they do LSD
Yeah.
or smoke ganja or any form of drug. They've all been tortured. People partying in their dreams, their spirits.
Oh.
Because there's been bad buffalo shields on the planet. And many people now have died during an LSD trip because
we
of
got-
the bad mushroom shield, the bad buffalo shields.
Okay.
Anyway, they be poisoned. Like 14 million people.
So that's
We gotta go up more.
If you want to just go to sit on the fall, or if you want to go down where the waterfall is, we have to cross it.
you gotta cross here. Okay, so we have to cross
Is
here.
there other ways to cross?
There
or
could be
just
another
like
way higher up the creek, but
think it is.
this way might be the best. What all where the rock is?
So
It's kind of sketchy. We might have to just take our shoes off.
yeah, we're gonna take a peek outside to see
That's the thing, we could just take our shoes off.
if there is a crossing somewhere better. I think yeah. Yeah, on this log here. So folks, we're gonna cross over on this thing here and to go down to the waterfall to watch the little fall here. Well, I thought it was a big waterfall, but it's a little thing. So let's see if we can cross over on this wood here without fall inside the water. Okay, I did it. I don't know if Nick can do it. All right, he did it.
Really
Yeah, you can do it.
got it.
Try, you can do it. You can do it if you really try.
Bring it on, Jimmy!
Yeah. All you gotta do is try, try and try, try and try, and you'll succeed at last. Come on. Yeah. So we are here at the waterfall area, crossing over. Okay. She coming over? Make sure, you should make sure hold her hand in case she fall. Yeah. Someone ranching here. These are cattle dung, right? Cow dung. Yes, folks, we are here at the waterfall. Let's see. She's in her ritual before she crosses. Come on! Come on, Nick, we're waiting, man. And she's gonna walk in the water. Yeah. There she goes. She's walking in the water. Put her shoes back in the water. Get the log. And we go in again. Whew. Doing her ritual over the water. This is it. Oh, she's holding on the log. You could hold her hand, man. There she goes. You did it! Yeah, you did it! She did it. Now we're heading down now at the bottom of this.
Yeah, we gotta just go all over here and get to the waterfall now.
We gotta go.
Land from here on.
Oh, we gotta go over here. So we gotta cross over this wire here and go down to the waterfall.
Wow, you could almost have gone in right there at the creek.
Uh-huh.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You could almost have jumped right in. Floated though. The water was really warm.
You swam?
Yeah, the creek.
Oh.
Like just now. Okay.
Okay, let's go down the hill. See folks, I have to take my shirt off because it's warm. But I don't, you know, when I walk in, I like to walk fast. Yeah. I think Nick is doing well. Yeah, you're doing well, man. You're doing well. This is steep here, but that's nothing for me. I custom to these hills, you know. Don't mind that I'm not in where hills are at the moment, but you know what I mean. I can't forget where I come from, man. So I'm going down here. See? Look, I'll show you. Look, I'm going down here. Just like that. Because I custom to these things, you know. Look at the hill from here. Look at it, how steep it is. See, it's steep. There is no step, but I accustomed to that, you know. Okay, so we're down here now at the waterfall. So let me see. Okay, so this is the waterfall here. That's the waterfall. Wow. Let me go closer for you guys to see. So folks, this is a waterfall here from this creek side here. And they call this fall champagne glass, something like that. Waterfall. This is how it looks like. You can see, man, that water is coming down with a strong power. So windy here. You see how the water is falling there? Folks, the water is falling there very hard. It's windy. You can feel the breeze that's falling, the force that's coming from that water. I don't even think that it will be a good idea for someone to go under there taking a shower, because that water is coming down real hard. Woo. Coming down real hard, man. That water. Wow. You see? It's coming hard. Yeah. Woo. Wow. Yeah, folks, the water is coming down real hard there. Got it. Let's see if we're gonna go. Are you going under? Come on, you're not going for a you're going for a soak? Wow! So that's the waterfall there. Wow. Gee. I think Nick going for a soak. You going for a soak? Or a smoke? Oh. By the waterfall, let's see what he's doing. Going in? I thought you going in. I thought you going in. I'm coming to see. The water gonna knock you down, man. The water gonna knock you down. It's too heavy. Well, you wet your hair. Your head get up. No, I didn't see it. I didn't see it. Whoa. Look at this tree here in the rock. See it? See how tall these trees are here? Man. Yes, folks, so I'm here by the waterfall. As you can hear it there, it's right behind there, the waterfall. But I was waiting for the spiritualists to come so I can ask her some questions. But I guess she up there fighting demons. So I don't know where she is at this moment. And her partner here is taking a smoke. Where is she? She went back up? Oh. Well. You know how it is, folks. I try my best. But I think the enemy know who I am. So they are running away from me. But I'm kind of hiding myself for now, so that you wouldn't recognize me, but I can't fool myself. The enemy know who I am. You know? But I'm gonna keep on pressing on. Okay. Nick is smoking. Can't stand the cigarette smoke, so I go here. Now, folks, whew, this is the waterfall here. I don't know how much you can hear me. But I'm here by the waterfall. I wanted to go over that side, but I really don't want to get wet. But for me to go over that side, I may have to get wet. That's the thing. Because this waterfall here, the water is coming down so hard. Man, I tell you, you go under this thing here, you don't need nothing to scrub your skin. That fall gonna scrub every dirt off of you. The force that thing is coming down with there, gonna scrub all the dirt off your skin. Woo! You know, tell you, I'm a black man. If I go under that thing and the water hit me so hard, it might turn me into a... You know what I'm talking about. Alright. So, let me see. Let's go a little closer. I know I will get some wet water on me. Yeah. Whoa. I'm right here. And the breeze that is blowing from this waterfall here. Man, it's amazing. Tell you, you can go right underneath it now. Woo. But you only can go under the small part where the water is coming down. But don't go under the big part. Otherwise, you're gonna get real wet there. I just stand here, folks, and my shoes, look, already wet from the water. My shoes already wet. I just stand here and my shoes already wet. That's to tell you the force that this water is coming down with there. I think my pants already wet too. Alright, I don't mind for the camera. It's waterproof. Whoa. Just wanna, whoa, look at that, look at that. See? Whoa. Look, see, you don't have to go under the fall. You can stand right there and get a shower. Yes, I think I just got a shower there. Woo! Yes, my pants wet. Oh my good Lord. Ay, ay, ay. All right. Gee. Whoa, I got wet.